Unraveling, by the same token, a guide to understanding this useful phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've likely heard but might not fully understand. By the same token. It's a handy expression that can enrich your conversations and writings. So let's unravel its meaning together. The phrase, by the same token, is used to introduce a statement that is logically consistent with something that has been mentioned before. It's a way of saying that two different points or facts are comparable or support each other, despite possibly being about different situations or subjects. To fully grasp the phrase, let's break it down. By implies a method or means. The same refers to something identical or similar. Token, in this context, means a symbol or a sign that represents something else. So, when combined, by the same token, introduces an argument or statement that serves as a symbol or sign of a similar logical reasoning or conclusion. This section will provide examples to illustrate how, by the same token, can be seamlessly incorporated into your conversations or writings. 1. Contrasting situations. I believe freedom of speech is crucial in a democratic society. By the same token, it's important to ensure that this freedom does not infringe on others' rights. 2. Supporting an argument. Exercise can greatly improve your physical health. By the same token, it also has significant benefits for your mental well-being. 3. Introducing a comparable point. We need to cut costs in our production department. By the same token, we should also consider optimizing our marketing budget for efficiency. There you have it. The phrase, by the same token, is a powerful tool for connecting ideas and demonstrating logical consistency in English. Whether you're engaging in a debate, writing an essay, or simply having a conversation, this phrase can help articulate your thoughts more clearly and persuasively. We hope this video has shed light on how to use it effectively. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep practicing to enhance your English language skills. See you in the next video.